Hey everybody, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. My name is Kevin Lehner. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there at the right. And don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified of every time we post, okay? What I do here is I teach, do videos showing and teaching how to on internet marketing and entrepreneurship, and I sprinkle in every now and then a little something to do with motivation to keep you on top of your marketing game and keep you uplifted and so on and so forth, okay? Alright, so you're going to want to stick around today. I got a video today I'm doing about how to dominate email marketing. Okay, it's a pretty good video. It won't be very long, but it will show you how to step up your game in email marketing and have some success with that. Okay? Alright, so be right back here in just a moment. Alright, thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a good video here for you today. I'm going to show you how to dominate the email marketing sector of your internet marketing and how to have some really good success with that. Actually, what I'm going to show you here is going to be an email marketing masterclass that was created by my friend and mentor Chad Bartlett. He's done an incredible job of giving this master class, which teaches everything about email marketing and how to dominate it. So I'm going to show that to you. And also I want to let you know there's going to be no selling in this. This master class, there's nothing for sale. This is all pure value for you. That'll give you all kinds of techniques and things to work with to dominate your email marketing with. Okay? Alright, so let's get right in this. Alright, this is the page for the email marketing class. This isn't it. Actually, this is the first page that tells you about it. And he talks about the email marketing masterclass is an in-depth, step-by-step email marketing training showing you how to eliminate your confusion, and we'll walk you through exactly how to have rapid success with email marketing. And this is Chad right here, my friend and mentor Chad Bartlett right here. He does, he's a very, very good, successful internet marketer, and he does an extremely good job of explaining this to you. Okay, and here's some of the things that you'll learn down through here, and it's how to write engaging emails to get open and read, subject line templates and examples to get high open rates and never run out of ideas, use the power of storytelling to get leads hooked in and interested in what you have to say. And it talks about how to build a relationship and value with the people that subscribe to your mailing list, and discover profitable email examples as well too in this class. And this tells a little bit about Chad right here. He's a full-time online marketer and affiliate marketer the past 2 years. His main focus has been email marketing, funnels, and video marketing. He's been able to build a multiple 5-figure email list in just under a year and monetize it to over 6 figures from affiliate marketing and a few other digital products. And talks about here about email marketing being a crucial part of any business, which it is if you're doing an online business especially. But if you're also doing even brick and mortar, and you have a brick and mortar business like some store or something along that line, plumbing or whatever, and you want to market online, you need to know about email marketing and how to dominate that and how to excel in that and have success in it. Well, this master class will certainly show you that. It will certainly show you how to do that. I've been through it and it's incredible. It's very, very good, detailed. In fact, the class lasts an hour long. He goes over every little thing on how to dominate the class. And here's some of what he's going to go over on the class right here. What email marketing is and why everyone must have it in their business. How to collect the leads using automated systems and funnels. And how to get a domain and professional email. How to avoid hitting spam. That's one of the big things in your marketing to you. There's certain words that you want to steer clear of saying, of writing in your emails for your autoresponder, because particularly Google, Gmail has an algorithm that will pick that stuff up, and it'll automatically toss it over into spam, and your customer, your prospect will never get that email unless they whitelist it, which is something I do. I usually tell my people that subscribe to my list in the first email to make sure that you whitelist my email address so that you get the emails into your inbox so they don't go to spam. So that's something you might want to think about too. You want to make sure you tell your people that as well. That'll help, so they can make sure that they get all your emails that you send through your autoresponder and so on and so forth. How to come up with subject lines that get open and example templates you can use, and how to hook people in your emails, how to get your first 1,000 emails using nothing but organic traffic. As you can see, he goes over a lot here. How to use the PS section effectively to get 5% more clicks and traffic. How to come up with unlimited engaging content. How to leverage your story properly to properly engage and sell any product, and examples of profitable emails that gets real results too. He goes over a lot in this class. He even shows you some places on how to, if it's hard, sometimes it's hard to come up with content to write in your emails that you're going to send your customers or prospects. And he gives you a website that you can go to that will give you ideas for content, which will help you with writing content. It will show you how to write good grabbing headlines for your emails, titles for your emails, and so on and so forth. So he gives a lot of in-depth detail and value in this marketing class. And once again, like I said, there's no selling in this. It's just a pure, straight class that will teach you, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So anyways, continue on is how to properly generate targeted leads, how to build up trust and relationship and value through your emails, how to make your first $1 to 6 figures online through email marketing, because the old saying is the money is in the list, and that is for sure. That's the true thing. You're going to more than likely you're going to sell more from your email marketing list than you will directly from offering somebody a product, whether it be through your funnel or however you're doing it in your marketing. So it's more often than not you're going to sell from your email marketing list more than you will direct marketing. Okay. It talks about how to always come up with good content and ideas for your emails, even if you can't think of anything. That's what I was telling you about a moment ago. He gives you a website that you can go to, and it'll help you with coming up with content and titles and things to put into your emails that'll draw attention and keep your prospect, keep their attention on your emails. And you get a bonus in this too. You get an already made, plug and play, done for you affiliate marketing funnel that you can implement into your marketing right away, and you can take this funnel and all you have to do is just edit it to what you want it to be, and it's already done for you. You just edit it and go with it. It'll be ready to go for you, and certainly that's a big help. It helped right off the bat with me anyway. And so this is what I wanted to show you today. It's a free email marketing class, and it's a very powerful one. It will show you all the details of how to dominate email marketing, and so on and so forth. So that's what I had for you today, folks. You can see the link. I've got the link up there on the screen right now. That's the link right there to the marketing class to get started with it, okay? And also I'll have the link down below in the description, as well as other links too, that you can check out too. I'd recommend. Now this marketing class was created by Chad in the all-powerful Builder marketing platform. So that may be something you want to consider too. That's if you don't have a current email autoresponder such as Aweber, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, Contact ID, or whatever. Builder is the all built in, and if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know I've talked about that. In fact, I did a video series here just about a week ago about how to build a funnel in the Builderall platform, step by step. So if you want, you can go back and see those videos too. It's an all step-by-step how to build a funnel in the Builderall platform. Okay, folks, so just wanted to share this with you. It's all free. There's no cost on this. There's no selling anything. Just get involved with it and learn. You can learn from this video that Chad created. Not this video here, but it's on his Masterclass page. There's another page for that. And he goes into all the details, an hour-long video. And he'll show you all the details that you need to know about to profit in email marketing. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you for today. I'll see you again here in a couple of days in the next video. Okay, thanks for coming again. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. I answer all the comments, and whatever you'd like to do there, check out my links down there below too as well. All right, so I'll check you all later. Have a great day. Bye now.